When it's a rainy day, even if the clouds are all gray, I might see a rainbow.
Ulan? Ay, sis.
Spreading out across the sky. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet.
Look at
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet.
I can reach the heavens above. I can write what is wrong. I can sing just a song. Ikaw naman! I can dance, I can fly into I can sing just a song.
Gusto mo mag-McDo, mahal?
Ganda, grabe para sa presyo niya, 1,071. Amazing.
If I see the sun when the rainstorm is done, I might see a rainbow. It's my favorite sight, so colorful and bright when I see a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue.
Ulan? Ay, sis. Ay, wow.
And violet. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet.
So, meron ng Arroz Caldo, overload, dinagdagan ko lumpia. Gusto mo ng triple chocolate champurrado?
Tanggalin mo na yung sa gugulaman. Kung may, matamis na kasi yan eh.
Sige.
Ang sarap sa ulan yan. Oh my gosh, thank you, Jayto. Sarap ng pagkain namin, no? Lumpia, champurrado, arroz caldo, tapos meron ba kaming chicken pastil ni Jantot. Yes, yes, yes. May rice pa, no? May rice pa. Kakain kami na madami. Okay, bye-bye. Pero parang walang mention ng no, I mean yung ulan. Hindi nila na-mention eh. Parang Laguna, Quezon yung sinabi.
Ay, nako, dyan to. Ikaw may kasalanan ng lahat ng to. Sabi ko ba't walang ilaw?
Yung utak ang problema ko. Yung utak medyo matigas. Sarap sana kung naka-kape.
Sarap sana kung may kape. Seka, tingnan natin kung merong pampadala dyan si Bebe ng kape. Tanong mo kay Ate Lilia, ba gusto din ba niya ng kape?
Ha?
Tanong mo kay Ate Lilia kung gusto din niya ng kape.
Kung gusto mo rin daw ng kape, Ate Lilia. Yung binibili ni Bibi, ay sobrang oo.
Okay, sige. Tingnan ko, order ako. Apa, yung sa metformin.
I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. Don't leave no windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly.
Sige. Ano na lang po? Golden brown.
Golden brown waffle na lang.
Tapos isa po nung asa na yun? Nawala sa mata ko. Yung breaded pork chop.
Breaded pork cutlet, ma'am.
Ito tatabi.
Yes po.
Okay.
Rice or mashed potato?
Rice.
Rice po. Anything else po?
Yan lang. Tapos lang, house water lang po.
It comes with ice cream.
Ay, good job. Okay.
You want to upgrade to bottomless po?
Hindi na po.
Okay na
Ayos
po.
yan.
Bali isang breaded pork cutlet po and then isang golden brown waffle.
Apa.
That's it. And then may naman na po silang mushroom soup. For 15 to 20 minutes lang po. I'm just na pag may hindi pa po nila.
Sige, salamat
The
po.
darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday I'm coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. Listen to the ocean, let its unsaid words be spoken.
Apa, salamat po.
Let my mind be carried by the waves. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.
Yan, Freshy Brother ng konti. Pinaliguan ko sa pilitan, oy. Buti hindi ito makababait, ay. Eh. Wow. Naginawan siya ng konti, kaya lang nagpiglas na siya nung linilinis ko yung paa. Eh, no? Wow. I'm so proud of you. Diyan niya gusto sa basket, pero hinanda ko na yun, no? Yung dating bahay ni Kumain Tantan. Pero mas trip niya doon sa basket. So, okay lang. Try na lang ulit next time. Na, brother? Eh, dirty na konti na lang dirty mo, ah. Konting dirtiness na lang. Konting dirt na lang. Medyo pogi na. Yay! Ganda ni Peanut! Hi, Peanut. Talo ka ni brother na ligo. Nani? Hi.